This is Calvin Butler with JCB Acquisitions. Again, I want to welcome you to training video number 8. This is actually training video number 7, part 2 of that training session, which is property research. And we're going to click here on the JCB Acquisition Network site, and we're going to go to the property search area. If you haven't signed in, you have to sign in. I'm already signed in, as always. And we're going to go to, and we're going to see how we can. I'm going to show you how to navigate the comps area of this of Zillow.com here. Let's say go in here and we look for properties. Order. We're going to go through the foreclosure warehouse site, but you can go directly to the comps area if you like. We're just going to go to Gainesville, Florida this time. Go to Gainesville. And you notice there's only about 3 foreclosures in Gainesville. Very small town, but it's got 3 foreclosures there. We're going to click on this one that says $79,000. And we're just trying to get to the comps area here is what we're trying to get to. So I can show you how to navigate the Zestimate site. Now, this particular property doesn't have a Zestimate on it, so let's go back and let's try. Matter of fact, let's go to a larger city, a larger county here. Let's try Nassau County. Let's go to Dade County or Duval. There we go. And as you know, the Duval has a lot of foreclosures. I do believe this is Jacksonville, if I'm not mistaken. In Jacksonville area, Duval County, looking at over 326 foreclosed homes in this particular area. So we have a lot to choose from here. Let's go through here and let's just find a home that we're going to look at. Here's one that's $29,000. Let's see what we're looking at here. It's on Oakwood Street. And we're going to go directly to the Zestimate area. $29,000, it has an estimated value of $63,000. Now, I'm going to show you how to go through the Zestimate site and how to navigate it. You have the subject home, which is listed here, and it has the Zestimate of it. Last it was updated, and the value range between $31,500 and $64,000. That's the range of the properties. That's the range of that property. Anyone from the low end to the high end, and they estimate that it's worth approximately $63,000 because of the condition and everything that this house is in. That's what the value is on it. Now let's look at some of this comps. So here's a comparable house. One of the comps that it has, and it's going to list all your comps. It's going to list about 5 comps here for you. You're only going to need 4 comps to submit to our investment network, to the JCB network. But it lists 5 comps here for you. And let's pull up one of the comps here. You just click on the address, and it takes you right to the Zestimate site. And, of course, this training video is how to navigate the Zestimate site. And it pulls it up, and it tells you what that house recently sold for, $19,900. Now, it had a value of $68,500, but it sold for $19,500. That gives you a pretty good idea of what you should probably bid on the property that you're looking at, on the subject property. Even though it has a value of $68,000, they have a price listed at $29,000. When you see something like this, where a recently property that's appraised for about the same much, is sold for $19,900. So that should give you a heads up on what you should actually bid on that property, and what they'd be willing to basically let it go for. Now, granted, this property here doesn't look like it's in nearly as good a shape as the property as our subject property. So, but what you should do is you basically, as I mentioned before in the last training video, you use that formula. You take the value of the property minus the listing price, subtract that, and then you divide that figure in half, and then you subtract that from the listed price. And that gives you a kind of a starting point Now, sometimes that may bring it way down to $2,000 or $3,000, and that may not be a suitable bid. It may not be